Hey, good evening, everybody. What a day today. 75 degrees. We came up a little bit, but still we have some marine layer that's preventing the basin side from getting as warm as we thought it would. Excessive heat warnings continue off to the east. These are going to be in effect really Thursday through Friday, but it's already hot out there. Treat it that way now. Triple digits are going to really affect things. Please take care of your pets and watch them. This goes all the way out to the Colorado River Valley, Vegas, obviously all the way out to the east by the deserts. For us, a little more marine layer rolls in again tonight. It's not super thick, but it's enough just to hamper the warm up, and some of it is fog as well. So we'll track that Wednesday into Thursday. We have high pressure over us. It's just not producing offshore push. That's why we continue to get a little bit of the marine layer, but that holds the beaches nice downtown, reasonable. Instead of seeing the 90s there, we stay in the mid 80s, but the valleys get sizzling up to almost 100 degrees over the next couple of days, right around there. It flirts with it. High deserts, though, triple digits all the way out to the extended. There's a look at the mountains. We'll update you. Pat and I will tonight, 11 o'clock. See you then. Jill will be here too.